Welcome to Personal Image Development, where we are developing the greater you from the inside out. So what is our learning outcome? You will learn to develop the leader in you from the inside out as it relates to personal image development. You will understand the areas of hygiene that are relevant for success in a professional environment. You will be motivated to bring your professional image to the forefront of who you are today. So this series is from the Rebuilders Workshop series, but it's created by Zobiba Global Enterprise Corporation, where we rebuild the individual from the inside out. So we will talk about self-identity, and then I'll explain to you who I am, why I am qualified to talk to you about this workshop. We'll do a bit of color coordination. Then we'll talk about personality development. What is hygiene? Then we'll have a collaboration session. And then we get into professional hygiene. We'll talk about untidy workspace. Then we'll talk about sleep hygiene, because you know that sleep affects your body's immune system, right? So I'm sure everybody knows that. Then we'll have group discussion and role play. You will get to define the problem. We'll talk about image, developing professional imagery, the definition of image, your professional imagery. Then you get to create your own course. So it's basically what would you put or what would you place in this section of the presentation. Then we get into personal image, and then we show the different forms of images, and how do you see yourself. Then we talk about stress and stressors. What do you look like when you're under stress, extreme stress? So that's a picture of me of what I look like under extreme stress.